Maasin River is a stunning natural attraction located on the tropical island of Siargao in the Philippines. Known for its crystal-clear waters and lush green surroundings, Maasin River offers visitors a truly enchanting experience. Situated in the municipality of General Luna, Maasin River meanders through a dense mangrove forest, creating a serene and picturesque setting. The river is relatively narrow, allowing for an intimate and immersive
If you like the video,
exploration of
please
its
hit the
beauty.
like button,
One of the
subscribe and click
highlights
the
of Maasin
notification
River
bell.
is its emerald-colored waters, which are incredibly clear and inviting. Visitors have the opportunity to take a refreshing dip in the river, swim alongside colorful fish, or simply relax on the riverbank and soak in the tranquil atmosphere. Maasin River is also a popular spot for tubing and kayaking adventures. Renting a tube or a kayak allows visitors to leisurely navigate the gentle currents of the river, while admiring the surrounding mangrove trees and observing the diverse marine life. The river is home to an abundant array of flora and fauna, including various bird species, reptiles, and crustaceans. Mangroves line the riverbanks, providing a vital habitat for numerous marine organisms and acting as a natural buffer against coastal erosion. Additionally, the local community has established a conservation effort to protect and preserve Maasin River's delicate ecosystem. They promote sustainable tourism practices and organize cleanup initiatives to maintain the river's pristine condition.